Hello, I'm Song Pancho. Today is July 26th, Saturday. Usually, Saturday morning, I bring my daughter to mental clinic. This time, from 11 to 12. So that 1 hour is just awaiting my daughter's time, and I just take rest near the small park. Look, this is a small cabin in Korean. 정자. In Korea, if you come to Korea, you can look often this small cabin, Korean style small cabin, 정자. This is ancient Korean architecture. How about this day? I took a rest fully yesterday, and I watched some YouTuber. I'm very interested in travel YouTuber, Korean travel YouTuber. Someone, Korean YouTuber, young youth YouTuber, he now travel Moldova and Romania. I envy him. I admire him. Yes. And someday I also want to go to travel. Yes, that is my dream. Camping, kayak, swimming, running, jogging, and campfire, travel, trip. That's my dream. 안녕하세요. 손우성입니다. 오늘은 7월 26일 토요일이고요. 토요일은 저는 아침 11시부터 12시까지 제 딸을 심리 상담 뭐 이런 데 보내야 돼 가지고 딸 지금 보내고 1시간 정도 시간이 여유가 있어 가지고 오늘 정자 밑에서 좀 쉬고 있습니다. 한국엔 이런 정자가 많죠. 이 정자 밑에서 텐트 치고 자고 뭐 그러고 싶어요. 여행하면서. 바이바이.